In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there was a mysterious circle drawn on the ground. Every evening, a group of villagers gathered around it, laughing and pointing at each other. But no one knew why they were there or what the circle meant. One sunny afternoon, a curious traveler named Emma arrived in the village. She noticed the villagers laughing around the circle and decided to ask them about it. "Why do you all gather here every evening?" Emma inquired. An old man with a long white beard smiled and replied, "This is the circle of idiots. We come here to share our foolish stories and laugh together." "But why call it the circle of idiots?" Emma asked, puzzled. The old man chuckled. "It's a tradition. We believe that by laughing at our own mistakes, we become wiser." Intrigued, Emma decided to join the gathering that evening. As the sun set, the villagers sat in the circle, and one by one, they shared their stories. A young woman stood up and said, "I once tried to bake a cake without flour. It was a disaster." The group burst into laughter. An old man shared, "I forgot my wife's birthday and bought her a vacuum cleaner instead of a gift." The laughter grew louder. When it was Emma's turn, she hesitated. She had no foolish story to tell. "Come on, Emma," encouraged the old man. "Everyone has a silly story." Emma thought for a moment and said, "Once I tried to teach my cat to fetch. She just stared at me as if I were the fool." The group laughed heartily, and Emma felt a sense of belonging. As the weeks passed, Emma continued to join the circle of idiots. She noticed that the villagers were kind, helpful, and always ready to lend a hand. One day, a traveler arrived looking tired and hungry. The villagers welcomed him, offered him food, and invited him to join their circle. The traveler was amazed. "Why are you all so kind?" The old man smiled and said, "By laughing at our own foolishness, we learn not to judge others. We understand that everyone has their own mistakes, and that kindness is the best way to heal." Emma realized that the circle of idiots was not about mocking others, but about embracing imperfections and learning from them. It was a place where laughter brought people together and taught them the value of humility and kindness. From that day on, Emma became an active member of the circle, sharing her stories and listening to others. She understood that sometimes the best way to learn is through laughter and shared experiences. And so, the circle of idiots continued to thrive, a testament to the power of laughter and the wisdom found in embracing our flaws.